way back home. Okay, one more time, titignan natin ang ating anniversary date. Wala tayong kan, paano na tayo happy birthday?
Wala eh. May candle, pero...
Grace, Grace, isang happy birthday nga, Grace. Grace? Alright, here we go. Isang happy birthday para sa Faith Baptist Church. Maestra. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, FBC. Happy birthday to you. One more time.
Happy birthday!
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy Okay, sino matapang magbigay na isang wish for FBC? Nabusog na kasi. Ang wish of FBC is towards 70 and 70 more or until the coming of Jesus, whichever comes first. Amen? O, sino ka gusto mag-wish? Dito sa table na to. Wala? Kasi may wish ka? Ano yan? Anong wish mo for FBC? What's for visa? Sino dito? Sino ready dito? Okay, Ate Elsie.
Ito ba, nakakain din?
Ha?
Nakakain.
Sasakitin mo niya.
Akala ka.
Immortal eternity yan. Alright.
Yung flooring lang ha.
Hazel, mayroong wish ka for FBC? Happy birthday,